What's going on? It's your boy Hato or Hato, tomato, however you want to pronounce it. It's all good. And today I'm going to be reacting to a new music video by J Swoop. He's based out of Indianapolis, Indiana, along with the director and the two producers, Travyberry, Ayoslides, and Vandy Swift, all based out of Indianapolis. They all have a collective called Moto Pack that they run together. It's like a music collective. It's really good. Music's really fire. It's going to be the first reaction I do of him, and hopefully many more. I've seen a couple clips of the music video already on Instagram, but I didn't see the full video yet, so this is gonna be first time reaction. So let's go. All right, let's get into it. Video's only about 1:40, but it's gonna be a good 1:40. I'm already fucking with the beginning. I don't know what this is from.
I've been mobbing with my guys. Pull up to the spot, shut it down, we got on load. I don't know these hoes, why these hoes just strong as fuck? Why these niggas swag, why these niggas just dog? What the fuck?
This be so, bro, this be so fucking hard, bro. And the way his voice is like, his delivery and shit is crazy. I fuck with that, this motherfucker came on. Visuals is nuts.
I've been mobbing with my guys. I've been mobbing with my guys. Yeah. I've been mobbing with my guys. Pull up to the spot, shut it down, we got on load. I don't know these hoes, why these hoes just strong as fuck? Why these niggas swag, why these niggas just dog? What the fuck? Pull up in that yard. And I pull up in some fat bitches, they gon'
He said, "We go rah." That shit hard. Oh yeah, by the way, this is hard. By the way, Vandy Swift, the dude that said directed it, he has a clothing brand that he actually has. I think they need to restock right now. It's sold out on a lot of shit, but it's called Sanctuary. Some fire shit. I'm gonna link at the end of the video too. I'm gonna link all they shit on the on my screen so you can follow them on Insta and shit. As far as the video goes, right, this shit's already hard. Like, it ain't been on that long, but just like the visuals, it got that like retro like look to it and shit. Like I fuck with that, like the retro look. I think they downtown too, like downtown Indianapolis, I believe. So it's just hard. I fuck with it, I ain't gonna lie. And I also like I dare say the word Asian inspired, but I just like the visuals and like the inspiration behind it too. I'm gonna restart the shit again. This fucking beat is crazy too. What is that? What was I saying in the beginning? Hold up. Let's say, oh, I'm tripping. Say Padlock. Okay. All I see was the lock part. I was like, what the? Okay, Padlock. Okay. That's hard too.
I've been mobbing with my guys. Pull up to the spot, shut it down, we got on load. I don't know these hoes, why these hoes just strong as fuck? Why these niggas swag, why these niggas just dog? What the fuck? Pull up in that yard. And I pull up in some fat bitches, they gon' what that little bad bitch, I just wanna stick it like a broom. You already know she got you water like a song. Bitch, I'm too clean, Mason Francis, my cologne.
It'd be so fucking crazy.
With me like Shotty sing along. She thinking this is Assassin's Creed, like baby, don't sing along.
What do you say about Assassin's Creed?
Mason Francis, my cologne. She just wanna flow with me like Shotty sing along. She thinking this is Assassin's Creed, like baby, don't sing along. What you mean I'm on the scene, I'm doing my own. They copy everything I'm on. Why they wanna bite? Why they wanna do it? I do. Why they wanna be swoop right? What you mean? I go left. Why they follow me right? I don't even know. I guess they just look up to I. Shit this shit right now. We want to shoot this shit right now. We about to shut this shit like down. We about to wild out in the crowd. That right up in the crowd. You know that I'm serving now. And they just catching me 'cause they fuck with me like I've been mobbing with my guys. Pull up to the spot, shut it down, we got on load. I don't know these hoes, why these hoes just trying.
You know shit hard. You know a video hard when you gotta do like the snake face to it. You just like, you know a video hard when you gotta do that shit to it. Video, song, all that. You know shit crazy when you gotta do that. You make that when you made that. I know I keep pausing. My bad. When you make that stink face to it, you know that shit crazy.
They copy everything I'm on. Why Why they wanna bite? Why they wanna do it? I do. Why they wanna be swoop right? Switch me. I go left. Why these motherfuckers follow me right? I don't even know. I guess they just look up to I. Shit this shit right now.
Shit this shit right now.
We about to shut this shit like down. We about to wild out in the crowd. Never right up in the crowd.
The beat is so crazy, bro. The sense in this shit is nuts.
I've been mobbing with my guys. Pull us to the spot, shut it down, we got on load. I don't know these hoes, why these hoes just trying to fuck? Why these niggas swag, why these niggas just dog? What the fuck? Pull up in that yard.
I said, what the fuck? He don't say what the fuck. He said, what the fuck? This shit's fire, bro. This video fire, bro. It might be one of his best ones. This shit's crazy. This song is nuts too. It's like the perfect length.
You know that I'm serving now. And they just catching me cause they fuck with me like I've been
robbing with my guys.
Pull us to the spot, shut it down, we got on load. I don't know these hoes, why these
I can't sing, obviously.
Why these niggas swag, why these niggas just dog? What the fuck? Pull up in that yard. And I pull up in some fat ass bitches that go wrong. For that little bad bitch, I just wanna stick it like a phone. You already know she got some water like a song.
Shit. Hey, I don't give a fuck what niggas talking about. That's a restart. I'm restarting that whole song. I don't give a fuck. Like he said, what the fuck? What the fuck? I don't give a fuck, nigga. I'm restarting this whole thing. Nigga, hold up. Nigga, do y'all not hear this beat? Do y'all not hear this beat? Do y'all not hear the vocals? Huh? We restarting it. Again and again.
I've been mobbing with my guys. I've been mobbing with my guys. I've been mobbing with my guys.
I'm bobbing my head. This motherfucker ain't come on yet. I've been mobbing with my guys. Pull up in the spot. All these hoes just trying to get fucked.
Why these niggas swag? Why these niggas just dog? What the fuck? Pull up
that made that go raw. This shit crazy, bro.
Bitch, I'm too clean, Mason Francis, my cologne. She just wanna flow with me like Shotty sing along. She thinking this Assassin's Creed like baby, no sing along. What you mean I'm on the scene, I'm doing my own. They copy everything I'm on. Why they wanna bite? Why they wanna do it? I do. Why they wanna be swoop right? Switch me, I go left. Why these motherfuckers follow me right? I don't even know. I guess they just look up to I. Shit this shit right now.
We gotta shut this shit right now. We gotta shut this shit right now.
We about to wild out in the crowd. Never right up in the crowd. You know that I'm serving now. And they just catching me cause they fuck with me like
I've been mobbing with my guys. Pull up in the spot. A lot of these hoes just trying to get fucked.
Why these niggas swag? Why these niggas just dog? What the fuck? Pull up in that yard. And I pull up in some fat ass bitches.
But with the beat drop, that's it hard.
Now we got on load. I don't know these hoes. Why these hoes just trying to fuck? Why these niggas swag? Why these niggas just dog? What the fuck? Pull up in that yard. And I pull up in some fat ass bitches that go wrong. For that little bad bitch, I just wanna stick it like a phone. You already know she got some water like a song.
Fuck, bro. That shit is crazy. That shit is crazy. That's gonna do it for me, guys. That was the reaction to J Swoop's new music video, Padlock. I rate that song a 10 out of 10, 9 out of 10. That was a really good fucking song. It was like the perfect length. Like it wasn't too long, but it wasn't too short either. It was like right in the middle. Like lyrics are fire. To me, the vocals were very good. The beat was very, very fucking good. Slice and Trav did their thing on that beat. Swoop did his thing. Vandy did his thing, directed. The visuals were fucking crazy. The edits were crazy. I like the nostalgic, like old school look to it as well. Like the VHS like type shit. Like I like that shit. That shit was hard. The overall, like that shit was just fire. It was like fire ass music video. Like that shit had me dance. It's hard to make me like dance and like do certain shit, and that shit was easy. So, and like I said earlier, they're all based out of Indianapolis, so they're in like, you know, it's not me. There's not too many people out of Indianapolis that are rapping, that are fucking directing music videos, that are making beats. So I'm glad that they're coming out of the Midwest with it. I'm gonna link Vandy shit right here. I'm gonna link Travis shit right here. Swoop's down here, and then Slides down here. So you guys can follow them on Instagram and things of that nature, so you can keep up to date with what they got going on. Trav is always making beats, and so is Slides. They always working. They always in the stew. Same thing with Swoop. He makes songs every day. He's always working. And then Randy's always directing something. He's got his clothing brand out, like I stated earlier in the video. He has a clothing brand out. Should be restocking soon. He's always directing stuff. He always has fire visuals that he's working on. So I'm gonna link their stuff so you can keep up to date with them. Other than that, I'm out of here. Be your boy Hato or Hato, tomato, however you want to pronounce it. It's all good. I'm out of here. Peace.